special too. So I bought some guacs from the outer Guangzhou. They honk and squawk and sing just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Open your eyes,
Surprise!
here's a present. More crazy creatures, don't worry, they're pleasant. There's upside down weeps on inside out swing.
Yay!
They do things backwards, and backwards they sing. Which means happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. There's a party today, a once a year occasion. A party is coming your way, your birthday celebration. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wanted to tell you in my own special way that you're extra special, so have a great day.